Okay, so now let us illustrate the 6 trigonometric ratios. We have sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and the cotangent. So the 6 trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the length of sides of a triangle. These ratios in trigonometry, pag sinabing trigonometry po, it is a branch of mathematics that deals triangles. And trigonometry relate the ratio of the sides of a right triangle to the respective angle. So yung respective angle po, lang ay magbukas ng pen. Ito. Ka. So ito po yun. Ito yung respective angle. Ang tawag po natin dyan ay theta. Theta. And tinatawag ding reference. Tama pa yung spell ko. Asa lang pala yung R. Reference angle. Okay po. Reference angle. So now, let us now identify the parts of a right triangle. But this time, we are talking about the 6 trigonometric ratios. So now, identify natin si hypotenuse. Alam naman natin na yung hypotenuse is as longest side of a right triangle and opposite of the right angle. So, meaning ito yung hypotenuse natin. Longest side, pinakamahaba and opposite ng right angle. Opposite ng right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay po. Now, meron tayo tinatawag na opposite and adjacent sa trigonometry. So, malalaman natin yon by looking at the angle theta. So, let us now find the opposite side. So, para mahanap yung opposite side, look at the angle theta. Yung katapat po ng ating angle theta, which is itong side, ang tawag po natin is the opposite side. Okay po. Now, may isa pa tayong hinahanap, which is the adjacent. So, look at the angle theta ulit, yung katabi ng ating angle theta. Ito, yung katabi niyang side. Ang tawag natin is the adjacent side. Okay po. So, itong opposite and adjacent, lalabas lang yan if we are talking about the trigonometry or the 6 trigonometric ratios. So now, let us now discuss first the sine. Sine or sin. Sin. Okay po, yung sine po is the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So, yung sine daw or sin theta, laging may theta kasi yung theta po is the angle. Is equals to sine natin is the between the opposite sides. So we have opposite and the hypotenuse. So for we have all over hypotenuse. So ito po yung relationship ng sine. The relationship of sine is the opposite all over hypotenuse. Next is the cosine or tinatawag nating cos na lang. So cosine theta is equals to ang relationship po ng cosine theta, cosine theta is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Okay po. So next is the tangent. So we have tangent or tinatawag natin na pwede naman tan na lang, tan. So tan theta is equals to ang relationship po ng tangent is opposite all over adjacent. If hinahanap is dalawang leg, tangent. So, ang tawag po natin dito sa tatlong to are the primary ratios. Okay po? Primary. So, ang tawag po natin dyan is the three mean ratios in trigonometry. Okay po? So, now, let us now proceed to this 3, cosecant, secant, and the cotangent. So, ito pong cosecant or pwede nating ilagay na CSC. theta is equals to, so ito pong cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So kung ito ay opposite and hypotenuse, babaliktarin nyo lang. Dito naman, hypotenuse all over opposite. So ito pong cosecant or CSC, reciprocal siya ng sine. So next is the secant. We have secant, or pwede natin siyang CSSC. Tama ba? SS. Sorry, ano pala? SEC. SEC. Or sec. Secant theta is equals to, ito namang secant theta, reciprocal naman siya ni cosine. Kung ito ay adjacent all over hypotenuse, dito naman is hypotenuse all over adjacent. Okay po. So next, yung last is the cotangent or cot. So cot theta is equals to, ito naman ay reciprocal ng tangent. So kung ito ay opposite and adjacent, babaliktarin nyo lang, sa taas na yung adjacent and sa baba naman si opposite. Okay, so ayun po yung 6 trigonometric ratios. So ang tawag po natin dito sa tatlong to are the reciprocal of the primary ratios or the secondary ratios. Okay po, secondary ratios. So I want you to remember this mnemonic word, so, ka, towa. Okay po. So itong so katawa, dito lang po sa tatlo yan. So yung so stands for sine, opposite, hypotenuse. Ito naman ka, cosine, adjacent, and hypotenuse. And itong towa is tangent, opposite, and adjacent. So mahalaga na tandaan ang so katawa kasi para mas matandaan ito. Okay po. So dito naman sa secondary ratios, pwede nating tawagin cho, siya, kaw. Okay po. And cho stands for cosecant, hypotenuse, opposite. Dito naman is secant, hypotenuse, and adjacent. And dito naman is cotangent, adjacent, and opposite. So, yun po yung ating 6 trigonometric ratios. This is just the illustration. Okay po. So, thank you for watching.